What's up guys, hope you're doing fine, and for your daily motorcycle hype, welcome back to Slice Bikes. So today I have an episode where I'm going to the Honda Topline service center because I ordered some spare parts for my bike because I kinda, dinged my bike a year ago, and because it was a new bike and there was kinda shortage for parts, got it, almost 2 years later. So yeah, this is one where, got scratched, and this is another place where it got scratched. So I'm gonna replace this and this today. Heading out to the service station to get it fixed. Let's see what's up, guys. The servicing with Honda hasn't been hassle free in the past year because the last time I visited, there was some slight inconvenience in the way they serviced my bike and replaced my chain. So there's a dedicated video to my experiences in the last service, but ever since they made some few compromises and settled the issue, and I hope this time the experience will be seamless with Honda and they've kind of learned from their mistakes maybe. So we have reached Honda Big Wing service station to change the fairing and the grab rail on the rear side, both on the left side. Got a 1200 Africa twin. This is the waiting room of Honda. As you can see, the bikes are all here. There's a 300R being worked on. So I think they got in my bike for starting the work. So it's just the grab rail and the fairing that needs to be replaced. Done, fitted the new one. Got it done. Next step is wash. So it's done. You can see like there's a new sticker out here. This is floating type, so it's not gonna be too tight on fixed onto the body because these may break if it's too tight. So it's kind of floaty, which is a good thing. This is also brand new bike, no dings, no scratches, so we're back on track, buddy. Damn. So the entire thing, the parts plus the labor charges costed 2,214 rupees, which is kinda on the higher side of the spectrum. I mean, these were not like very integral parts of the bike. They were like just the cosmetic parts. That was the fairing and the grab rail, rear grab rail. So kinda I felt it was on the higher side of the cost and overall, not very happy with what they charged. But the thing that I'm happy about is my bike is brand new again, so it's scratchless, it's spotless, and feels good riding it again like this, brand new.
That's all we have for today, guys. Let's meet up in the next episode. Until then, take care and ride safe.